Challenge for today. Try using at least 5 new words from today's vocabulary in your conversations. Start a casual conversation with someone and keep it going for at least 3 minutes. Record yourself speaking on a random topic for 1 minute and listen to identify areas for improvement.
Aditi had always been shy about speaking in English, but today she decided to initiate a conversation with her colleague Rohan. "Hey Rohan, I wanted to ask your opinion on something," she said with a smile. Rohan looked up. "Sure. What's on your mind?" Aditi hesitated for a moment, but then spoke with confidence. "I was thinking about joining a public speaking course. Do you think it would help?" Rohan nodded. "Absolutely. Public speaking improves confidence and helps you convey your ideas clearly." "That makes sense," Aditi replied. "Could you elaborate on how it helped you?" "Of course," Rohan said. "At first I was nervous too, but practicing regularly helped me emphasize my points better and persuade people in discussions." Aditi smiled. "That's really inspiring. I guess I just needed some reassurance." "You're already on the right path," Rohan said. "Just keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking with confidence." Aditi felt motivated. "Thanks, Rohan. Just to summarize, I should practice daily, focus on clarity, and be confident." "Exactly. You've got this." For the first time, Aditi felt excited about improving her speaking skills.